When tasked with the project of analyzing informal discourse on a specific topic related to our major, or in my case, intended career path, my past experiences across multiple social media platforms inspired quite the topic. My intended career path, however uncertain it is at the moment, is a teacher of some sort. And yes, however, my intended major is history. I also hope to teach other areas of education, such as the topic in my project, philosophy and existential ideas. The topic that I discuss, such as stoicism and absurdism, truly fascinate me and in some ways resonate with my own existential outlook. This has caused my experiences on social media to be at sometimes, depending on the current trends at the time, of course, to be existentially focused. All the trends that I talk about in my project, I either actively interacted with or distinctly remember seeing on my For You page. This For You page, retrospectively, is something that I wish I explored throughout my project because it is maybe one of the biggest facets of informal discourse. The ability to centralize a user's overall exposure by manipulating what they view is a crazy idea in of itself, and would have been something that I would have loved to explore a little more. Because one area of my projects that I think I could have worked on more or even better is the area of specific informal discourse. I think I did a great job of establishing my argument and how the topic of existentialism across social media communication is a means to a positive and inspiring end, but the way in which that mean meets its end is something that I needed to focus on. I brought up the concept of familiar and humorous memes to ironically contrast the very serious and scary topic of our very existence, but I should have utilized the language side of it a little more. In conclusion, even though I have exposed some flaws in my project, I feel as if this is one of my best works I have ever created, honestly. I feel like the foundation of my argument is inherently strong, and my ability to convey it throughout the project was done extremely well because I truly believe in the main purpose of what my project is. I truly believe that over the course of these recent years, many of us who make up the younger generations have interacted with and resonated with the existential. I truly believe that the informal means in which we have discussed these ideas have led to positive moments for positive and optimistic individual change. The core of my argument is essentially that something as scary and uncomfortable as the existential can actually have the most profound and positive impact. And this is evident, I hope, throughout my project through the specific instances of informal communication that I sourced. Trendy humorous, trendy humorous imagery, which incites a strong sense of community and comfort in the scariest idea, was what I hoped to achieve throughout this project.